To make our simple smoothie, we will first start with 1 ripe avocado. We'll add 1 banana. Fun fact, avocados actually have more potassium than the banana, so our legs are going to feel fantastic after this smoothie. We'll add to that some great fiber from 1 cup of spinach. If you're using frozen, you will opt for half a cup of frozen spinach. We'll add 1 cup of frozen fruit. In our house, the frozen fruit of choice is pineapple, but you can add berries, mango, papaya, whatever you like. And by adding your frozen fruit, you don't have to add any ice cubes, and therefore you will not be diluting your smoothie. Next up is our dairy, and we prefer the coconut, original and unsweetened. So we're just using a simple coconut milk here, 1 cup. Keeping with that one theme. But you can use oat, almond, or traditional milk if you prefer. We like to sweeten our smoothies with honey. And then we just add that to the blender or bullet or Ninja, whatever you have in your house will work fine. And we just blend for about a minute. We like to pulse it so that the machine doesn't overheat. So after blending, ready to enjoy. And this recipe is going to give you about 3 8 to 10 ounce cups. So therefore there will be plenty to freeze and enjoy for lunch throughout the week. We just simply leave them in our freezer, toss them in our lunch bag, or move them on over to the big commute to the home workstation. Let them thaw throughout the morning and enjoy at lunchtime and through our afternoon. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. We look forward to seeing you on future Active at Home. Take care and be well.